Hi everyone, I'm John Perez, founder of CRMCoPilot.Ai, and today I'm going to show you how to find leads using generative AI directly in CRM Copilot. So what I have here to the right-hand side is a tool called Do Browser. Do Browser integrates really well with CRM Copilot, and it allows me to type my generative AI commands so that Copilot can find leads for me. So I'm a CRM business, and I am going to say find leads that have a CIO title in New York. And this essentially is my ideal customer profile. These are folks who are CIOs in the New York area. As you will see, using this Gen AI command, it's going to search for the job title of CIO. It then will search for the location of New York. And in a few brief moments, you're going to see the actual results of this query. All right. And here it is. Voila. So what you have here is roughly 9,000 profiles. And essentially what I can do from here is quite a few things. I could score, rank them, enter them into my CRM. For the purposes of this demo, I'm going to enter these leads into my CRM all at one moment using Gen AI. And so I don't even have to click on anything. What I'm going to do here is essentially select all the leads on my screen and export them into my CRM. And this will get all 25 leads directly imported into your CRM without you having to export via a CSV file or anything like that. So as you can see, it's going to do all the exporting in just a few seconds. All these leads will be in your CRMs. You'll also see if those leads are already in your CRM, it's not going to import them. It's actually going to skip them. So you'll see then the results. It attempted to export 16 records. It did not import any dupes. And so now when we go into Zoho CRM or any CRM system, I'll just show you that real quickly. This can be for Salesforce, HubSpot. And what you'll see here is all the leads that were now imported. So you'll see here, they were just imported. These are all the ones that were imported by CRM Copilot. You'll see them as a lead source of CRM Copilot. So that is the wrap up. That is a demo of CRM Copilot.Ai integrated with Do Browser using Gen AI to find your leads and export them into your CRM.